Hi everyone, today we are going to teach you how to make an ocean-themed epoxy table. First step is to select the wood, then remove the bark of the wood. We are using a 30 years old golden shower tree slabs for making this table. We don't know the actual age of this wood. In our guess it's almost 30 to 40 years old. These slabs has got amazing grains after sanding the wood. Use a 80 grit flap wheel on the grinder and remove the bark perfectly. We should sand the side of the slab until it becomes totally clean. A slight portion of remaining bark will also affect the bonding of resin and wood. We already created a mold for pouring the epoxy. We used the GI pipes for setting the mold, then sealed the inside corners with silicone gel. Also applied wax on the surface for easy removal of the table after curing. Next step is pouring the resin inside. The first pour is the transparent blue color mixed with resin. After each pour, we used a resin bubble removal solution to remove the top bubbles. We are using a 3:1 proportioned resin and hardener here. The mixing ratio of both resin and hardener should be in correct proportion. Wrong ratios may affect the curing time. There is a chance that the resin will become rubber type. So be sure the ratio's incorrect and mixing time must be minimum 5 minutes. Next layer is dark sea blue color. We also mixed dark blue, light blue and Syrah blue colors with resin. Pour the dark blue on the center portion. Then light blue to both the sides. At last Syrah blue to both the corner sides. Then mix all the colors with a heat gun on the shown proportion. After curing the second layers, we need to pour the third and fourth layers with transparent resin to get the ocean effect. It took almost 2 weeks to cure the resin. We should remove the top bubbles after every layers of pouring. Next step is to remove the mold. Level the top and bottom surface of the table using a CNC router machine. After planing both the sides, start sanding with 80 grit paper up to 3000 grit sandpaper. Next step is to apply the coating to the table. We are using Rubio Monocoat oil for top finishing. Apply the oil with a wiper to get more coverage. Then clean the excess oil with a clean cloth. It will take up to 2 days for curing. After curing the oil, apply wax on the resin portion to get glossy finish. That's how we can make a beautiful ocean-themed epoxy table. Thank you for watching the video, and please support us by subscribing the channel.